Alright, welcome back generals to another Let's Fix Generals 0 Hour to make the best game ever. Okay, we are still developing unassemblize tour, which has been keeping us busy for a couple of weeks already. It's a lot to do. It's a complex tour. Yeah. Now, yeah, okay, so last video we were just testing the demo UI to see what is in there. And maybe we can continue just that. I see it saved the state of this, but it didn't save the state of this. Okay, so what did we look at last time? We looked at widgets. Yeah, let's look through the rest. Always clamp. No inputs. Control clicked. Wraparounds. It's a little bit of a missed opportunity that there is no like another color that draws from left to right. They could have done that, right? So if you go to 50% here, that then this bar would be cut in half with another color, right? Yeah, it's not great. I would have liked another color here. Okay. Range widgets. Min. Okay. Oh, that's interesting. So basically the max would cap the min here. Okay. Min 1000. Okay. Yeah, it makes sense, yeah. Data types. S8. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Multi-component widgets. Oof. What is that? Yeah, I don't think we need any of these slider thingies. At least I can't think of anything that we need that for. I don't know. Vertical sliders. Oh, wow. That's cool. Tuh. That's really cool. So you can DJ here. Turn up the volume. Yeah, cool. Drag and drop. Drag and drop in standard widgets. You can copy the color. Copy swap. Huh. Move. Swap. Oh, that's cool. I don't know what that is useful for, but if it works, it works. Drag to reorder items. Okay. This could be useful if you want to change the order of like a function that shows in a list. Yeah. Okay, that's cool. Tooltip at target location. I don't understand. Cannot drop here. Oh. Okay. Okay. Querying item status. Slider float. Windows state. Disable the entire section above. Text filter. Display all lines. So CCC. Okay, you can filter thingies. That could also be useful. Like if we have a list of functions or a list of class, and then you want to filter by name, right? So yeah, this is useful. This is useful. Minus XX minus CC. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, layout and scrolling. Child windows. Oh, Jesus. Menu. So here you use the mouse wheel as well. Otherwise here. Okay. Manual resize. That's cool. Auto resize. That's nice. I'm really impressed by what you can actually do with these things. Like this freedom it gives you is quite remarkable. Okay, this is annoying. Widgets with show indented items. Basic horizontal layout. Same line to keep adding items to the right of the preceding line. Preceding item. Same line. Okay. I see. Groups. Begin group. Locks the horizontal position for new line. End group bundles the whole group so that you can use item functions. Full group. They have been really creative here with their wordings. AA, BB, leverage buzzwords. So professional. Okay, I don't quite understand. Locks the horizontal position. But this is... Text baseline. Oof. Scrolling. Oof. Okay, this one is not scrolling. So you can instruct the scrolling with codes. That's nice. Oof, text clipping. Oh. Okay. That's interesting. I don't know what the usefulness of this is, but I guess fine. Overlap. Okay, interesting. I don't know why someone would like to do this. It's confusing. Don't put buttons over one another. Good. Pop-ups. Oh, that's cool. Okay, that's quite wild. Context menus. All those beautiful files will be deleted. This operation cannot be undone. Okay, that's cool. So you have to click this pop-up. Okay. That's nice. I like that. Stacked modals. Testing menu. Tables and columns. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Okay, but this is probably something that we need, right? Rows and columns. Yeah. Yeah, I think this is what we need to render assembler and bytes and all this stuff. We also need to make sure that we use a mono font. This to me doesn't look like a mono font, because here we have 4 letters in here and this one is longer. This is nice. But it's a bit too much lines, I think. Disable vertical borders. Doesn't work. This is interesting. But it's unfortunate that we cannot swap these things and cannot resize, but my suspicion is that this is coming up. Let's see. Resizable. Yeah, there we go. Okay, that's cool. That's very nice. Okay. Okay. Fixed. Mixed. Oof. Okay. And we can swap it. Yeah, this is nice. This is really nice. This is epic. I love it. I think this is exactly what we need. So we basically will have like a... so basically the user can then swap, like he can move the bytes to one side, the C++ code to another side, the way he likes it. Yeah, this is cool. I think this is the way to go. Very nice. I like it. This is also a nice option, that it doesn't show those lines. Reorderable. It's a flag. It's really nice. I'm very impressed by what this UI can do. It's really fantastic. It really is. Highlight Harvard column. Yeah, it's really nice. Okay, let's see about padding. Okay. Oh, you can even make it editable. Okay, that's interesting. Resizable. What does that mean? It's just that. Okay. What is that? Oh, you can pad it. That's interesting. Whoa. Mm-hmm. Okay. Padding. Sizing policies. We can play with this. Okay, what do we have here? Vertical scrolling. Horizontal scrolling. I don't quite understand what this horizontal scrolling is supposed to mean. This? Ah, with shift you can use the mouse wheel. Okay. Columns. Oh god, what is that? Let's say that. Oof. So much. Nested tables. Okay, I don't think we need that. Row height. Outer size. Background color. Gradients. Wow. I think this will be great to color rows differently. So like a mismatching line, we make red, and matching lines we make green. Something like that. That's cool. I like it. Very nice. Very nice. Tree view. That's also cool. Item width. Oops. We definitely need to disable this dragging on Windows. That's bad. I think it should only be draggable here, because it's so easy to click somewhere and move it by mistake. I don't like that. But there was configuration for this, so it should be possible. Let's see, what was it? I don't know. I thought I saw it somewhere. Viewports. Here. Windows move from title bar only. Yeah. Yeah, we certainly want that. That's better. This is too much otherwise. Okay. Okay. So you can even have like things to do in those buttons and sliders in columns and rows. That's nice. Custom headers. Checkbox. Angled headers. Oh, wow. That's interesting. Smash. That's really cool, I have to say. I'm really impressed. I don't think we need this kind of thing, but it's pretty impressive. Context menus. synced instances. Okay, no idea. Sorting. Oh. Oh. That's nice. Do we need that? Sorting. Let me think. I don't think so. I don't know if that's handy for anything. Action. Put a button inside. Well. Advanced. Options. Oof. Can even modify the rows. It's pretty impressive. Yeah. Oh wow. I don't know what the usefulness of that is. Okay. Okay. I'm really impressed. Like, there's so much you can do with this UI. It's really impressive. It's really impressive. And I'm already afraid as to picking the right thing for the right job. Like, a little bit overwhelmed because you have so many options. It gives you a lot of flexibility. And then, of course, you want to create your UI in a great way that it really leverages this kind of functionality and makes it great to use for the particular use case we have. But I suspect that we don't get it quite right on the first time. Yeah, but they can always iterate on things, right? It will be a lot of work. Okay, but I like what I'm seeing. Okay, legacy. Inputs. Okay, we have mouse wheel. Keys down. Mouse cursors. Arrow. Text input. Resize. Hands. Not allowed. Get mouse cursor. Oh, I think we are fine with the default. It's fine. Tabbing. What is this? Tab. Shift tab. Shift tab. It's backwards. Okay. Focus from code. So you can select something with codes. Yeah. Okay. Dragging. Okay, so we looked through the whole example. Yeah, I think we have a good idea of what it can do. It has buttons, tables, columns, color wheels, pop-ups, menus, groupings, texts, auto text alignments. Can scroll, list boxes, combo boxes, images, sliders, text filters, progress bars, plots, tabs, input text, selection, bullets, tooltips. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff that we can do. Yeah. Okay, so from what I've seen is this UI gives us more than we need for what we want to build. I think so. We can create unlimited windows. We can create tables. We can add colors to things, buttons, nested buttons, texts. So, yeah, to me it looks like this will work for what we want to do. Just fine. Yeah. Good. Yeah, I think that was a nice investigation. Good. Then we need to look at two things next. One is there was something about std string integration, something, I don't know, to use string natively for text fields, something. So we need to look at that. And the other thing, we want to What was it? We need a mono font. Yeah, definitely. Because we cannot use, but this looks like a mono font, doesn't it? Let me see. Imgui misc fonts. To me, it looks like a mono font. But we looked at some other font before and that wasn't mono. But this one is mono. Pretty sure. It looks mono to me. Yeah, okay, that's definitely what we want. Mono. Yeah. Mono means all characters are of the same width, which is important. That yeah, with the assembler text and all this, it should all be mono. Yeah. Source code as well, of course. Okay. Yeah. What's the time? I think it's under an hour. Yeah. Okay. Let's before we take a break, let's look into this SCD string thing. Imgui SCD string. Here, imgui SCD lib h. Because text input needs dynamic resizing, we need to set up a callback. Imgui std lib. Reading manuals works wonders. Yeah. Yeah, it was mentioned somewhere in their documentation, but just skimmed over. So here, this one, readme. Input wrappers for C++. This is also an example of how you may wrap your own smart types. Okay, but we certainly will use SCD string. Okay, so we need to add this to our code. Let's see. Imgui cmake. So I guess we take this imgui misc cpp like that, and here take the header. Okay, let's see. Yeah, that compiled. And I guess that means the job is done, or it is showing up here. See more C++ related extensions. Syntax is sugar. Okay, maybe we should look at that. I'm always about making things simpler for programming. Helper to use FMT. C++ness. Okay, so this one we have already here. Helper to use FMT. I don't understand. Well, what is this? What is this doing? Text FMT. Okay, it's just a function which forwards std format. Okay. I guess we can use that. Let's put that in. Let's put here imgui util. How do we call this file? I don't know. fmt.h imgui fmt. Yeah, this could be useful. Maybe we put it in here and we just call it util. Text fmt. Okay. Is there anything else useful? Scoped. I'm interested in this one. Pull. Scoped. Let's see, what does it do? So group, begin group, end group. Yeah. What is this here? Oh, here. Yeah, this looks useful because otherwise, so the problem is right now you always need to pair your things, and if you forget one, I don't know what happens, probably some bug, and to have these scoped helpers, I think will be pretty useful. But then why is this not merged? So this this pull has been sitting there for 6 years. It has been pushed a bunch of times. Looks like it was not updated, so maybe it's not working 100%. Yeah, well, if it's not maintained, then maybe it's better we don't use it, right? Because then it would mean we have to maintain it ourselves. What else do we have here? Imgui sugar. Imgui wrap. CMake wrapper for imgui. Okay, so this is the same thing, the same goal, let's say. Imgui wrap. Dear menu. We looked at this before, but I think this one is too much. This is too much. Like, there's too much C++ going on here. I don't like this. Yeah, I think I think this one is actually the best, but the problem is it's not maintained. So that's not good. Because this is super straightforward. You just have a struct with a constructor, destructor, boom, done. This is the simplest. there. Yeah, well. Well, let's copy this for now. Let's put it here. Let's see if it compiles. Yeah, let's see. Maybe it's useful, maybe not. But it would be good to have a scoped version, yeah. Because I agree that having to type begin and end pairs, it's probably easy to make mistakes. Right. Oh. What did it copy? Just the name. View file. I actually just want to get this. Okay. Okay. Imgui scoped. Let's call this imgui FMT then. Okay. How about we put that in our imgui app? Here we put include util /imgui FMT and the other one scope. Let's see if that compiles. Doesn't take 3 arguments. Let's see. Imgui pop-up flags. Imgui pop-up flags. Pop-up flags. Oof. Of course, it had to format this whole thing. Let's go here. Clang format off. Clang format on. Pop-up flags. Okay. I think he said a bunch more things here. Allow keyboard focus. Push tab stop. Begin child frame. Push allow keyboard focus. Push tab stop. begin child frame. Begin child. Maybe we don't use it. I don't know. I don't know. Pop-up flags. One. Okay, but it compiles. Okay, well, I have to see. Maybe we use it, maybe not. Okay. There's one more thing we can look at, and that is maybe we need to move one of these functions here. No, this one here. Ah, we just forward declared. Okay. No, I think that's fine then. No, I think this this is done here. This class, for the most part. Good. Okay, then what is the current changes we have pending? Not much. Okay. Good. Okay, so what do we do next then? Let's already think about it before we actually do it. Show demo window. Show the big demo window. Let's look at this thing. Uh-oh. Oh, hell no. Oh, this demo app is outrageous, but it's good that they have it, because that means they always have a reference implementation for the code they make. Yeah. Like how it's supposed to be used. I like that. It's really nice. So whenever we want to know how we can do something, we look into the demo app, and then we see how they do it. Yeah, that's nice. Do not remove this file from your project. Think again. This is the most useful reference code. I agree. That you and other coders will want to refer to and call. I agree. Have the show function wired in an always available debug menu. I agree. Always also include metrics, item picker, debug log. Hindering access to documentation. Yeah. Everything in this file will be stripped out by the linker if you don't call show demo window. Your beloved friend, imgui demo. That's funny. I like that. Control comma. I've never seen this menu. Imgui. That's nice. Control F12. Okay, this looks useful. Let's look at that thing. Debug tools. Highlight ID conflicts. Item picker. Item picker. Yeah, let's look through this document. Highlight and show an error message when multiple items have conflicting identifiers. Let's take a look at this. Tools. Requires. Is debugger present? True. It's somewhere here, isn't it? Here. Item picker. Okay, it's pretty impressive. Holy shit. You can even jump to the instruction. Holy shit. My gosh, these guys. That is pretty impressive. Cool. Highlight ID conflicts. Where's this? Config highlight ID conflicts. Okay, we have that enabled. Okay, so it gives you a warning. Item picker. We just tested this. This is pretty cool. Pick an item with the mouse. This is useful if you have large UI code base. That's really nice. Yeah, it's always available from there. Is it possible? Oh, metrics debugger tools. Okay. Okay, let's see what else we have here. Metrics window. Many internal state and tools. Help you understand. Okay. Let's take a look at that. What was it called? Already forgot. Metrics debugger. Where's that thing here? Internal state. Inputs. Memory allocations. Okay, so there's also already an imgui.ini that saves state for you. Where's this saved? I suspect that it's in our solution debug, right? Yeah, here it is. Well, that's cool. So we don't even need to worry about Windows states, UI states. It would just save it. It's pretty cool. So it takes a lot of work from us. Settings. So much here. Docking, multi-select. Proggy clean. Oh, you can scale this up. But then it's not clean anymore. It's a bit small, the font. It's not meant to be scaled. Yeah. It looks kind of jank. It's really small font, so you really need your glasses out here. But okay. Tables, pop-ups, viewports. Oh, it gives you an overview. I have to say, this is absolutely impressive UI. I'm really impressed by this thing. It's so great. Well, we haven't really started yet actual work, but just looking at our options, it's fantastic. Good. Then yeah, let's go to our imgui app. Yeah, okay, so we will wrap this into a macro to hide it on release. And we will remove all this stuff and this stuff. And then we can start thinking about our tool. Yeah, it will be a lot of work. Yeah. Let's take a look at this documentation if there's anything else interesting. Some of the debug tools. Debug log, access debug log. Okay. It has options to enable logging. So I have another attempt to visually locate the item. Okay. Pause break. Debug break buttons. ID stack. Okay, it shows you like where the item is in. Click. Basic. Yeah, we don't care about non-English characters, so that's fine. Good. Yeah, I think we have like a general overview. Obviously, there is more we could read on here. The pitch, minimize state synchronization, yeah. Minimize state storage. Minimize setup and maintenance. Easy to use. Create dynamic UI. Yeah. The good thing about this imgui is that since everything is dynamically recreated on every frame, like you don't have to maintain any state. You just update and it just re-renders everything. So this makes the flow really easy because you don't have to worry, oh, did I update this or that? So yeah, this is really nice. Um, I just had something in mind, but I already forgot it. A second later. It was something semi-important. Now it came back. We need... I wonder how can we open files, access files. Imgui file dialog. Let me see. Imgui file dialog. The file selection dialog built for... Okay, is this popular? Yeah. It is maintained 2 weeks ago. So this would be an option. Native file dialog. I don't know. So we have options. I mean, this looks kind of like really bare bones. Right. Yeah. Okay, we can try to add this in the next session and see, because I think we at least need like a little bit of file dialog to just help with selecting the PDB and the executable files so that it's a bit easier for the average Joe. Otherwise, we could just have a text field and you just pass the pass. You just copy it from File Explorer or anywhere. Just type it in. That also works. But maybe a file dialog would be okay. Yeah, we can try this. Choose file. Okay, good. All right. So we did a little bit of overtime here. I said I take a break 45 minutes ago, so we did double. Good, let's take a break now. I hope you enjoyed. I wish you a great day or night. Until next time, goodbye.